Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate your time, your attention. And I wanted to say that, playing this variation at 144 is, is no easy task. It requires really good equipment, really responsive bow, and really good, of course, technique. So practice is very, very slowly because that's really the only way, I think, to learn this absolute crazy situation and go through all the previous variations in the book that address flying staccato or up bow staccatos. There's multiple, there's a lot of them, and I've already recorded, I think, all of them. So yeah, take a look. They hold a lot of answers and lots of keys to learning this one properly and speeding it up. I'm using a carbon fiber bow for this because my wood bow just doesn't quite deliver the response that I'm looking for at a fast tempo at 144. But this one seems to do a little bit better, a little bit more responsive. Anyway, if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I wish to invite you to my Patreon page. It's a new adventure for me where I'm also posting a lot of content, lots of walkthrough videos, and lots of really interesting things that you cannot find on YouTube, not for free anyway. So I'm hoping to see you there, and I hope that you can find the link is down below. Thank you.